Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message for store management software inquiries on IndiaMART. So I am running a business which offers online store management software and I am receiving new leads and the inquiries for the same on my IndiaMART account. So here in this case I want whenever I receive a new inquiry through my IndiaMART account, then automatically a personalized WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead using Vati. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART inquiry for online store management software. As I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a business that offers online store management software and I get a lot of inquiries from IndiaMART. So now to make sure I don't miss any potential customers, I want to send WhatsApp message directly to those who show interest. This way I can quickly provide them with more details about the software, answer their questions and offer a demo if needed. It helps me to stay in touch with leads in real time, making it easier to turn their interest into actual sales and keep them engaged with my product. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my IndiaMART account with my Vati account so that I can send a WhatsApp message to my lead. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message for store management software inquiries on IndiaMART. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to our forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as IndiaMART. So IndiaMART is an online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers primarily for business and industrial products. It's like a massive digital directory where businesses can find suppliers for everything from machinery to office supplies. People use IndiaMART because it makes sourcing products and services easy, offering a wide range of options in one place. Whether you're a business looking to buy in bulk or a seller wanting to reach more customers, IndiaMART helps you to find the right match quickly and efficiently. So here in my IndiaMART trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new leads so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my IndiaMART account, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my IndiaMART account, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, here you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my IndiaMART account, and here you can see the dashboard of my IndiaMART account. And now here, to set up my webhook inside IndiaMART, I'm going to click on this lead manager given over here. And from here I'm going to click on this menu option given on the top left corner. And from here I'm going to select import or export leads. And now here under import and export leads, I'm going to select push API. And now here under this push API integration, you can see it is asking me to select a source. So by clicking on this drop down menu, here you can see all the sources which you can select. So here I'm going to select my source as other. And then it is asking me for a webhook listener. So now here it is asking me to enter the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So here for the CRM platform name, I'm going to enter the name as Pabbly Connect, and then here it is asking me for a webhook listener URL. So here for this webhook listener URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save details option given over here. And now here it is asking me to select a reason that why I want to transfer my IndiaMART leads to any other CRM. So here, to select a reason for this, I'm going to click on this drop down option given over here, and here you can see all the reasons which are available over here. So here I'm going to select a random reason such as I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. And now here, after selecting this particular reason, here I'm going to click on this click to generate OTP. And then here it is asking me to enter the OTP over here. So here I've successfully entered the OTP, and now I'm going to click on this submit given over here. And here you can see I have successfully set up a webhook inside my IndiaMART account. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after connecting my IndiaMART account with Pabbly Connect, here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here, to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our IndiaMART account. So here, to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my IndiaMART account. Now here, to generate a test lead, here I'm going to click on this test or webhook listener URL button given over here. And by clicking on this, it is going to send a response to this particular webhook over here. So now I'm going to click it. And now from here, I'm going to click on this test button given over here. And then here you can see I have received a curl request header. That means I have successfully sent a response to my webhook URL. So let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see I have received a test response over here where we have received unique query IDs and the response subject, sender state, sender pin code, phone number, name, scrolling little down. Here you can see the sender's phone number, email address, country code, company name, city, address, and some other details such as query product name as mineral water bottle and the query message over here for the same mineral water bottle only. So here I've received a test response. That's why I've received the query product name as mineral water bottle and the query message for the same. So firstly here, let me show you the products which I'm selling on my IndiaMART account. So here in my IndiaMART account, I'm going to click on this products option given in the left side bar. And here you can see all the products which I'm selling on my IndiaMART account. And here you can see I'm not selling any mineral water bottle product over here. So here the response which I have received in my Pabbly's workflow is a default response sent by IndiaMART. So here if you are receiving a live lead, then you will receive the live response as your lead name, lead address, lead phone number, and the query product name and the query message entered by your lead over here. So now with this, we have successfully set up the trigger over here. Now let's move to action step. And now here I'm going to select my action application as Vati. So Vati is a tool that helps businesses manage customer interactions via WhatsApp. It makes it easy to send and receive messages, set up automated replies, and handle customer support through WhatsApp's popular messaging app. People use Vati because it streamlines communication with customers, allowing businesses to provide quick and personalized service, manage inquiries efficiently, and engage with their audience effectively. It's especially useful for companies looking to leverage WhatsApp for customer service and marketing in a simple, organized way. So here in my Vati action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message. So that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead and an inquiry in my IndiaMART account, then automatically a personalized WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead using Vati. And now here to connect my Vati with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Vati account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for an API endpoint and the access token. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Vati account. And here in my Vati account, I'm going to click on this API docs option given over here. And then here you can see I have received the access token and the API endpoint. So now here I'm going to copy both the details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here after entering both the required details, here I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me for a WhatsApp number. That means here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I'm going to enter my lead's phone number. So here instead of entering my lead's phone number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead in our IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. So for that I'm going to search my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number, and now here after selecting this WhatsApp number, here it is asking me to select the template. So here I need to select the template which I want to use to send a WhatsApp message to my lead. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the templates which I have created for my use till now. So here to get my template name, let me take you to my Vati account. And here in my Vati account under templates, you can see all the templates over here. So here I'm going to select my desired template which I have created with the name store management. So here you can see the message which I have drafted which says, hi name, thank you for showing interest in our online store management software through IndiaMART. I'd love to provide you with more details and answer any questions you may have. If you're interested, we can also arrange a quick demo to show you how our software can help streamline your online store. Feel free to reply to this message or call me directly. Looking forward to helping you manage your store more effectively. Best regards, ABC Online Store Management. So this is the message which I have drafted as a template, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name over here. That is because I want whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my IndiaMART account, then automatically this previously existing lead's name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So this is my particular draft with the name store management. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here for the template, I'm going to select my template as store management. And now here after selecting the template, here it is asking me to enter the broadcast name. So here I'm going to enter my broadcast name as new inquiry. So here I've selected this particular broadcast name, but you can select the broadcast name as per your need. And then here it is asking me to enter the custom params. So here in the help text it says provide the params in comma separated object which will be used in the template message. That means here we need to enter the params which we have used as a variable in our template. So as I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my draft. So here I'm going to enter a single param over here. So for that I'm going to copy this format given over here. And then I'm going to paste it, and then here in front of this name key, here I need to mention the variable name. So here in my template I have created a variable with the name only. So here I'm going to name it name, and then here for the value I'm going to map the value for the name of my lead. So here I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name, so here I'm going to map it. And now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I need to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've successfully entered my WhatsApp number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on my phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see the message which we have received which says, hi Prabhat, thank you for showing interest in our online store management software through IndiaMART. I'd love to provide you with more details and answer any questions you may have. If you're interested, we can also arrange a quick demo to show you how our software can help streamline your online store. Feel free to reply to this message or call me directly. Looking forward to helping you manage your store more effectively. Best regards, ABC Online Store Management. So this is the message which our lead has received, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as IndiaMART and our action as Bharti, so that whenever we are going to receive a new lead and a query on our IndiaMART, then automatically a personalized WhatsApp message will be sent to our lead through Bharti. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.